Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Riffusion AI Music Generator. So first thing, go for riffusion.com, and from here go for login on the top right over here. So guys, you have to log in order for you to use the Riffusion software. So from here, continue with your account. I'm going to continue with my Google. Now once you are signed in, you could just simply go for I agree over here to their terms and condition and select continue. And from here, it will ask you to be a pro member. I'm gonna close that for now. And from here, the main feature of the website is clicking this one on the top, prompt. So from here, guys, you could just simply provide a prompt right away. So for example, I'm gonna go for create chill music with a relaxing beach vibe, and they could use a soft drums, smooth guitar, tropical sounds, and a calming melodies, perfect for watching the sunset by the ocean. So guys, the better the prompts you have, the better the result. So keep that in mind. And now if you have your own lyrics, you could just simply go for the compose over here. And after that, you should be able to have here a lyrics. So you could provide your lyrics over here, and you could describe your sound, and you could provide the details over here. But for now, we're gonna go for the prompt. And from here, you could have an option if it's instrumental only. So for example, I'm gonna go for instrumental and select generate, and it will generate an instrumental for you. Now guys, if you have a music selected, you could just simply select use vibe over here. And now you could just simply provide your lyrics over here, and just simply turn this off first, and just simply provide your lyrics over here. So I have a sample lyrics over here. Now we could just simply select generate in order for us to apply the lyrics that we had. And in the sound tab, you could also go for the advanced, which from here, you could provide the strength of the prompt of the sound that you have. And you could add a sound, you could have a add a vibe, and the lyric strength as well, and the weirdness. And they will have multiple models over here. So pretty much you could just simply play around with it and find the perfect sound. Now, once you are done, select generate, and it will generate a new music for you based on the lyrics that you created. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.